In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to switch your Instagram account back to a personal one. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and drop a like. It really helps out. Let's dive right in. You might find that you no longer need a business or creator account on Instagram, and you'd like to revert to a personal account. Instagram recently updated its settings with Meta and Facebook, so the process might look a little different than before. But don't worry, I'm here to show you how to do it. First, head over to your Instagram profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the app. Now, instead of going to your usual account settings by tapping the 3 lines in the top right, go straight to your profile page. Once you're there, look just below your bio and name. You should see an option called Professional Dashboard. Tap on that. The Professional Dashboard gives you detailed insights into your account. Now, to change the account type, look at the top right of the dashboard for a gear icon or settings icon and tap it. This will bring you to the business settings. From here, scroll down until you see the option labeled Switch Account Type. You'll see 2 choices, Switch to Personal Account and Switch to Creator Account. Since we're going back to a personal account, click on the Switch to Personal Account option. A confirmation screen will appear, warning you that you'll lose access to certain features like business insights and promotions. If that's fine with you, go ahead and tap Switch to Personal. It will take a few moments to update, and once it's done, you can refresh your profile. Just tap your profile picture in the bottom right again and the page should refresh. Now, you'll see that your account is back to being a personal one. That's all there is to it. If this guide helped you out, please give it a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.